Understanding DevOps, the key to efficient and effective software development. Software development has come a long way in recent years with the advent of modern approaches like DevOps. DevOps is a software development model that focuses on creating high-quality software quickly and reliably. In this video, we will dive deeper into DevOps and how it is transforming the software development industry. What is DevOps? Before DevOps, there were other software development models like the traditional linear waterfall model and the agile model, but these models had their limitations. They often caused conflict between the development and operations teams, leading to delays and poor quality software. DevOps is unique in that it unifies the development and operations teams and allows for a single team to manage the entire application development cycle. From development to testing, deployment, and operations, all aspects of the process are handled by one team, resulting in greater efficiency and collaboration. The DevOps process is a continuous cycle that includes several stages. Let's take a closer look at each stage. Continuous development. The first stage of the DevOps process is continuous development. In this stage, the software application is planned and coded using version control tools like SVN, Mercurial, CVS, and JIRA. Teams can easily collaborate and manage different versions of the codebase, increasing efficiency and reducing errors. Continuous integration. The second stage of the process is continuous integration. In this stage, the updated code is continually integrated with existing code using tools like Jenkins. The result is an executable file that can be forwarded to production and test servers, ensuring that the software is always up to date. Continuous testing. The third stage of the DevOps process is continuous testing. This stage involves using automation testing tools such as Selenium, TestNG, and JUnit to test the software's functionality. Automated testing is achieved by providing a trigger to the continuous integration tool, such as Jenkins. This allows for efficient and accurate testing, reducing the chances of bugs and errors. Continuous deployment. In the continuous deployment stage, the software's code is deployed to the production environment using configuration management tools like Puppet, Chef, SaltStack, and Ansible. Containerization tools like Docker and Vagrant are also important during deployment, ensuring consistency across various environments and enabling easy scaling up and down of instances, minimizing errors and failures in the production environment. Continuous monitoring. The final stage of the DevOps process is continuous monitoring. In this stage, the operations team monitors and analyzes data gathered from the production environment to identify any bugs and make adjustments as necessary. Key performance indicators are closely monitored using dedicated tools such as Plank, ELT-Stack, Nagios, and New Relic, which help improve productivity, increase reliability, and reduce IT support costs. If any major issues are identified, they are reported to the development team so that they can be addressed in the continuous development stage, resulting in an ongoing cycle of development and improvement. Conclusion: DevOps is a modern approach to software development that is transforming the industry. By unifying development and operations teams, DevOps allows for greater collaboration and efficiency throughout the development cycle. The DevOps process is a continuous cycle that includes several stages such as continuous development, continuous integration, continuous testing, continuous deployment, and continuous monitoring. By adopting DevOps, organizations can improve productivity, reduce IT support costs, and deliver high-quality software quickly and reliably. Want to learn more about DevOps? Please visit our website